Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. You ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the flame. Cardi take your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the p***y on offset. Cardi be brain on offset.
What's good, my queens and my kings? It's your girl Ching, back again.
Hello.
You messed up my intro, lady. Walking through my video. Y'all seen that? If you seen that, go follow her on her channel, Lizzie's TV. Her link is going to be down below. That's my mommy. Look at her, like, let me come and say hey.
Hi, y'all.
What's good, my queens and my kings? It's your girl Ching, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be bringing a video to y'all. Y'all see, if y'all follow me on my social medias, which if you're not, what are you doing? Go stop right now and go follow my social medias. If you follow me on my social medias, you would know that your girl have been rocking this top knot bun for the longest, okay? Say hi to the vlog. I mean, I said the vlog. Say hi to the channel.
Oh, hey guys.
Y'all, that's just lame. Go follow her channel as well. And I'm gonna have her stuff down in the description box below. So guys, today I am coming to you with like a, easy, simple hair tutorial. This is an equal drawstring ponytail, Yaki texture, and it's 24 inches. And I'm gonna be letting y'all know what I think about this ponytail because this is my first time wearing a drawstring ponytail, but I'm sure it's gonna be nice, easy, and it's gonna match my natural hair texture because, I got like kind of yucky hair. This is a press I did probably, some weeks ago, y'all. And I've been loving it straight, so I just been rocking it out because I don't straighten my hair often. So all you're gonna need for this tutorial is some Eco Styler gel, a good little brush, and for my brush I'm going to be using just a regular hard brush like this, and then probably a ponytail holder, and that should be all that you need for this tutorial. So guys, we are going to hop straight up in this, and I'm gonna show y'all how to achieve this nice sleek ponytail, and then I'm probably gonna do some edges too. So I like to use this edge brush right here. Very, very dope. Let me know if y'all want me to start carrying these on the website as well. So let's hop straight in it. This is it. I got my edges laid and booted. And now, taking my ponytail out. And we about to slay and go crazy in here. You feel me? And I'm probably gonna put a neck strip around my edges. See how it's like a yaki texture to match my natural hair. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so y'all, we got 2 clips on the inside, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and I'm gonna put it in after I remove all of this stuff. But you ain't gotta worry about that. You right. I'm just trying to think of what I should do. I'm trying to think, should I sacrifice my happiness for the children? I don't think I should, honestly. So now we got the ponytail. And we just go.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm saying like just worry about that kid, cause me too, like that's only, you know.
So now we tighten it up. Ooh, this is cute. So y'all, just added some eco styler to my little hairs on the side so they get curly. And this is the final look. Yes, baby, yes. So I think that took me what? And I'm still gonna wrap a neck strip around here. But do y'all see how easy this was to slay? Easy. It took like 10 minutes probably, 15 minutes. So pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. Wait till I do my makeup. Wait till I do my makeup, y'all. So yeah, this is what it looked like. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit around here until my hair get dry. So y'all, I'm gonna let this sit. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. But other than that, I thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Hopefully you got a little hairstyle you can do with your natural hair. It don't require any heat. And this will also work on my hair without it being pressed already, because I use the Eco Styler gel, and the Eco Styler still made my hair like kind of wavy. which I like because that's why I got the Yaki here. So hopefully you got a little style you can do on your way out the door or something, you know, on your way to work, or if you wake up early in the morning, you don't have anything to do with your hair. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned to see these last clips of the finished product. Bye.